Me Mandela. And when my temperature right there coming down.